Hey kids ministry leaders, how great is our God? And in lesson 1 of that series, we take a closer look at God being our creator, and we use a little camera. So how do we make this little camera? Well, here's what you're going to need. You're going to need the template printed from the media pack online. You're going to need an old cereal box because you need the strong cardboard, some clear tape, a pair of scissors, a carpet knife, an old pencil, or even just a small wooden stick, and 2 toilet rolls. So here's what you do. Stick the camera template onto your old cereal box. Then take your carpet knife and cut 2 slits into the camera. Then stick all of your film reels together to make one long film reel. Stick the bottom part of the film reel onto a toilet roll and roll it all up together neatly. Once you've done that, stick the pencil through and stick it down to keep the toilet roll in place. Now, take your film reel and weave it through the 2 slits that you've cut. Now take the top part of your film reel and stick a toilet roll to it. Now you are ready to tell your story, and as you do, and as you pull the film reel through, you can roll it up neatly onto your top toilet roll.